an action figure. Water. What is this, guys? This is police motorbike. Premium quality. What is this, guys? This is Hulk, guys. Wow. Oh, premium quality Hulk action figure, guys. What is this, guys? This is army jeep, guys. Premium quality. What is this, guys? This is super duper premium quality Spider-Man mask, guys. Elephant, guys. Premium quality elephant action figure, guys. Wow, guys, what is this? Wow, this is hill area jeep. What a bicycle, guys. What is this, guys? This is a dinosaur, guys. Super duper premium. Quality dinosaur action figure. Oh, guys, what is this? This is tiger, guys. Premium quality tiger action figure, guys. Oh, guys, what is this? Wow, guys, this is Jurassic series dinosaur, guys. Monster, guys. Premium quality dinosaur action figure. Oh, guys, what is this? This is Royal Bengal tiger, guys.
No other animal inspires as much awe as the Bengal tiger.
quality. What is this, guys? This is Pac-Man, guys. Super duper premium quality Batman action figure, guys. Oh guys, what is this? This is Spinosaurus, guys.
Spinosaurus is a predator, but one that
Premium quality Spinosaurus action figure, guys. What is this, guys? Whoa, guys, what a animal action figure.
forward point.
Figure, guys. Premium quality. What is this, guys? This is Jurassic series dinosaur, guys. A mini dinosaur. So creature. What is this, guys? This is mini lion action figure, guys. A premium quality action figure. Oh guys, what is this? This is mini Gondar. Guys, premium quality mini Gondar action figure. Wow guys, what is this? Whoa, this is Jurassic series creature animal.
What's up, yo? I may have a small brain and move pretty slow, but I've got a spiky tail I can swing and attack.
What action figure, guys? What is this, guys? Oh guys, this is super duper premium quality Iron Man mask, guys.
Oh, honey, you have no idea what is possible.
Wow. What is this, guys? Wow, guys, Jurassic series animal, guys. What action figure? Premium quality. What is this, guys? This is Superman, guys. Oh, super duper premium quality Superman action figure. What is this, guys? Wow, guys, this is a gun, guys. A premium quality. Wow. What is this, guys? This is lion, guys. A premium quality lion action figure. Premium quality condor action figure. Guys. Wow. What is it, guys? Wow, guys, this is Thanos. Premium quality Thanos action figure, guys. Wow. What is this, guys? This is a aeroplane, guys. Premium quality helicopter aeroplane. Super duper premium quality.